So first we're gonna go to windscribe.com. And then we're gonna click on sign up. So we're gonna create an account before we download the we install the app, sorry. So you can write any username you want, or you can just generate a random username. I'm just going to generate one. Same with password, and your password will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Email is optional. I'm gonna skip it, but you're just gonna get like maybe 2 gig only. But if you use an email, if you put an email, you get up to 10 gig, so it's your choice. Okay, I need to put in captcha. Let me just do that. Excuse me. Create account. Okay, so I'm gonna just save this. Now we can download the program. So Windows, it's been downloaded. Open when done. Okay, so now we run the app.